Dear students, today we are discussing about drug abuse or drug addiction. Drug abuse is the disorder characterized by a destructive pattern of using a substance that leads to significant problems or distress. There are different drugs which can be sometimes prescribed by the doctors, and if abused they can cause severe addiction, and it can also result in different adverse health effects. That is called drug abuse or drug addiction. It is also called substance abuse or chemical abuse. The drugs or chemicals which are commonly abused includes pan masala, amphetamines, hashish, opium, pethidine, brown sugar, etc. Drug addiction can be seen in different sectors of the society, and most commonly teenagers are attracted to narcotics. That is what we find in the society. According to the direction of UN General Assembly, 26th June of every year is observed as the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. Now let us see different drugs which can cause addiction. First is pan masala. It is a mixture of nuts, seeds, herbs and spices. The main ingredient is the fennel seeds, which gives the fresh feeling. I told that pan masala is used as a mouth freshener. The fresh feeling is because of the fennel seeds. The other ingredients include sugar-coated seeds like sesame, coriander seeds, mint leaves, cardamom, powdered lime, pure menthol, catechu, then betel nuts, arachnids, etc. And it also includes other flavoring agents and also tobacco. Some of these ingredients are giving the fresh feeling and some other ingredients are giving the pleasure feeling, which leads to addiction. There are several health effects which are caused by the use of pan masala, and the most adverse health effect is the cancer. The highest rate of oral cancer in the world is due to the use of pan masala. It can cause poor functioning of nervous system, and this can result in the loss of ability to communicate. Then pan masala can cause lifelong addiction, and it can impair the liver function, and the weights of gonads and brain also decrease because of the use of pan masala. Because of all these reasons, pan masala is now banned in most of the states in India. Next drug is amphetamine. Amphetamine leads to great addiction because it causes the release of excess amounts of dopamine, which is the neurotransmitter that gives a pleasure feeling. Amphetamine is very cheap, it is easily accessible, and it gives a lasting effect and enduring pleasure shortly after the intake. And because of that, more people are attracted towards amphetamine, and the addiction caused by amphetamine is very hard to control. Amphetamines come in many forms as prescription medicines. They are prescribed by the doctor as methylphenidate and dextroamphetamine. If the person is not following the prescription of doctor, and if he is abusing the drug, it can result in addiction. The abuse of amphetamine can cause seizure and death. Seizure is a neurological disorder like epilepsy, where there is a sudden and abnormal increase in electrical activity in brain due to chemical changes in the nerve cells. Then the use of amphetamines can cause an increased or irregular heart rate. Then breathing becomes faster. It can also cause panic attacks, headache, reduced appetite, dry mouth, dilated pupils, sleeping disorders, anxiety and depression, mental issues like paranoia. Paranoia is a mental disorder, that is, the person will be doubtful about every other person and also the situations. He will always find fault with the persons around them and also with the situations. That condition is called paranoia. The amphetamine can also cause high blood pressure, aggression, malnutrition, and long-term physical effects. The next abused drug is hashish. It is the resinous form of cannabis. Cannabis is also called marijuana. It is a psychoactive drug which is obtained from the cannabis plant. The cannabis obtained from the cannabis plant is modified, and the resinous form is called hashish. Resin is a solid or a highly viscous substance that is obtained from a plant and it can be converted to polymers. This is called a resin. The resin of cannabis is called hashish. The major psychoactive substance present in hashish is tetrahydrocannabinol or THC. Smoking or eating hashish can give the user a huge appetite and a sense of well-being for a short time. The feeling of well-being lasts only for a short period of time, and after that the person will need more amount of hashish. The adverse health effects of hashish include changes in mood and perception, increased heart rate, change in blood pressure, lung damage, short-term memory impairment, delayed emotional growth, loss of motivation, loss of working efficiency, loss of coordination and concentration, and finally loss of fertility. Opium is another drug that is abused. It is the dried latex obtained from the unripened seed of opium or poppy plant, that is Papaver somnifera. Here you can see the latex oozing out from the seed, and this latex is dried and used as the drug. Opium is the crudest and the least potent of the opiates, and it contains morphine. Morphine is the ingredient in opium that causes addiction. Opium contains about 10% morphine, and it is responsible for the harmful health effects. Opium or morphine is recommended as an analgesic or painkiller by doctors to fight extreme pain in the case of chronic diseases like cancer. But it can cause addiction and can be lethal. While using opium or morphine, the person experiences a strange sense of pleasure called euphoria. The brain develops tolerance, and continued use makes the person to demand higher, stronger and more dangerous doses of the drug to reach the heights of pleasure. The use of opium or morphine can result in the feeling of numbness, euphoria, emotional detachment from the other people and from the events happening around. The person is in his own world of addiction. The person experiences a loss of appetite and drowsiness, vomiting, increased urination, increased sweating, impaired vision, loss of continuous focus, impaired coordination, decreased alertness, respiratory depression, and finally death. The next abused drug is pethidine or meperidine hydrochloride or Demerol. It is again a painkiller or analgesic prescribed by doctors, and if misused it can cause addiction. Pethidine gives a short-term temporary euphoria along with pain relief. Abuse of pethidine can alter the physiological, mental and emotional status of the person, and the person shows aberrant behavior because of mood swings. The person finds difficulty in breathing, experiences drowsiness, chest pain, vision problems, fainting, tremors, dizziness and low blood pressure. The last drug that we are studying is brown sugar. It is the adulterated form of heroin. It is a semi-synthetic opioid drug derived from morphine extracted from the poppy plants. Drug addicts use brown sugar for smoking, inhaling or injecting. It can develop high dependence, and the addiction is very high in the case of brown sugar because the person develops withdrawal symptoms only a few hours after use. He demands continued use of brown sugar, leading to addiction. The health effects of brown sugar include weight loss, loss of appetite, insomnia or sleeplessness, irritability, lack of concentration, depression and frustration. We have seen several drugs that are abused, and some of them are prescribed by doctors. We have to use medicines only with the prescription of a doctor, and we have to strictly follow the directions given by the doctor. If misused, these drugs can lead to severe addiction and adverse health effects. Thank you.